Alright, y'all. Welcome back to Bravo Unlimited. And tonight, we got a special treat for you. Who loves halibut? This guy walked in 9. Great start to the whitetail deer season. Let's see what's going on here. Come on, beautiful jewelry cheese melting down on that. Alright, let's go ahead and do it. We're going to go ahead and do this. I love halibut. My family loves halibut. Check me out here. Look at those beauties right there. Got the Food Saver bag, repping the Food Saver. Shout out the Food Saver. You find beautiful fish out there in your travels. You're at the grocery store, the seafood counter. You see what's right for the family. I talk about that. Get it. Get you some good vacuum seal options that are reusable that you can rinse, and boom, just like that, you're getting down the road. Here. Like this. Just rinse these bad boys off, just like this. Get you a little paper towel on a plate. After you rinse them, put them right on that paper towel, just to let them dry just a little bit, just for a second. Get some of that little bit of residual moisture out of there, and there's a method to the madness. I'm going to go on ahead and lay the recipe down on them. There it is. Vacuum seal bags are good as well. Put your little soap in there. Put some warm water. Get that thing right. Vacuum seal bags are expensive. The ones that you seal that aren't reusable, that if you're using those kind, cut them long, and so you can reuse them as they shorten up when you cut them each time, and all that stuff can be washed. You reuse that stuff and save your family the money. All right. So all that. All these things I'm doing right now, it's going down on a Thursday. It's like 7-something o'clock. What time is it? 7:16, going down on a Thursday. So you want to cook something nice for the family in the middle of the week. Tonight we're doing some beautiful wild-caught halibut. Wild-caught Alaskan halibut. Panko Parmesan Encrusted. Panko Parmesan Encrusted halibut. Yes. Okay. Just like that. See here. Paper towel. Right over the top. Light pad. Okay. Just get some of that moisture. Some of that moisture. Okay. We have the Le Creuset sheet pan. Okay, I normally line this thing with aluminum foil, but when you're doing any fish with skin on them, I like to do it on a flat pan. Just let that skin sizzle on it. And there's a little bit of a method to the madness. Let me show you what time it is. Okay, so just like so, I'm going to take this fish, just like this, I have here for you today. The grated Parmesan cheese, the pink Himalayan sea salt, the fresh cracked black pepper, the mayonnaise. Any mayonnaise of your choice. We're using this kind right here. Okay, it's good for our family. Use what works for your family. Okay, so first, we're gonna go on ahead and season this puppy up just a little bit. A little of that pink Himalayan. The pink Himalayan is an interesting color, so when you're putting it in, just make sure you keep your eyes on that bad boy. Okay, keep your little paper towel handy so you can grab all this stuff up, getting everything all fishy. Little tricks, little tricks. A little bit of that fresh cracked black pepper. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, it's right over here. Okay, go on ahead, put your hand on it. Make sure that seasoning is all good. Remember how we talk about the love? Get that seasoning on all sides. Why do we do that? So that every single bite is just as good as the first one, all the way to the last one. First to the last, delicious, delicioso. Okay, so simple base, good high quality sea salt or pink Himalayan sea salt, and some fresh cracked black pepper. Take about a spoonful of mayonnaise, bam, right into your hand, just like that. Okay, and this right here, we're gonna go ahead and rub all over the top of this. Okay, not so much the bottom, not so much the skin side. We're gonna put right on top of this. Okay, you may notice I have the olive oil over here. Okay, we got the extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna put just a little bit of that on the pan when we put these skin side down, so that allows something to help us get the skin off the pan later, and also allows us to give something to help crisp that skin up too. All right, we got that right. Going ahead, Parmesan Encrusted Panko seasoning. Go ahead and show you guys what time it is. If you're wondering which one to get, go on ahead. The private selection, check that out. I hope my fat fingers aren't blocking anything. Check that out right there. That's the winner. That's the one we like right there. There's all kinds of different ones. Boom. We had half a bag reserved from the last time we did this. So only use what you need to, you know, and you'll find that your spices and your seasonings will go a long way. So I've already used this one time before and used half the bag. Look, I still have maybe just over a third of that bag left. You see this? That's all you need. You don't need to do nothing else. So, go ahead and get that right there and save that. Economical cooking. Everybody asks me how do you do this all the time? How often do you cook all that fancy stuff? I'm like, that's not fancy. That's just taking as good ingredients as you can afford, and whatever that answer is the right answer. Whatever it is, the best you can give your family is the best. And so just try to always just do that for the family, and they'll love you right back for it. That bad boy, just like that. Just like that. Okay. A little bit of this olive oil. Just a little bit, doesn't take much. Take your hand, just create a little area right on the surface there, just for it to lay on. That's gonna be perfect. Okay, got that there. Everything like that, everything like that, okay? Same thing, everything like that. Everything covered, everything covered. Okay. Back over here. Paper towel. Paper towel will save you when you're dealing with all this other stuff. Boom. Come right over here. Put your Parmesan on. Even though it's Parmesan in the Panko, add some Parmesan. Make it that much more better. If you love Parmesan, I love that Parmesan. I love that Parmesan, baby. There it is, just like that. Y'all seeing how beautiful that's looking? Boom. Right out of the bowl. Here we go. There it is. Boom. So you see, you notice the skin isn't all covered like that. That's not what we're going for. Just covering the meat side. Okay, everything's looking beautiful. Now you have this extra stuff right here. All this stuff will crisp up. I say go on ahead and take some of that and put that right over the top. That right over the top. Mix that up right there in your bowl a little bit. Put all that beautiful goodness right over the top, just like that, baby. Oh yeah, and all that's gonna crisp up. You take those bites, all that's gonna flake up. Oh yeah. And that's it. Everything is on there. Everything is on there, nothing wasted. It's looking beautiful. My mom always taught me, don't waste nothing. So we're not going to. There's the oven, preheated to 375, okay? So we're gonna put these bad boys in there for about 30 minutes, okay? These aren't huge pieces of halibut. We're gonna put it in for about 30 minutes at 375. We're gonna take a look at it at 30 minutes. If it needs 35, no two pieces of halibut are equal. These are, but I mean, no living, breathing halibut is gonna be the same size all the time. So there's no perfect recipe. You gotta roll with it. And so you can just take these simple ingredients, put them to work for your family, and like 30, 35 minutes later, you'll be on. So check me out, come on over. Just like that. Open up that oven. Just like that. And the Le Creuset. Bomb. Right in there. All right, 375. We're gonna go on ahead and set the timer. 30 minutes on the timer. You're seeing it there. At 30 minutes, that thing's gonna go off. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna see what kind of halibut we have for you. Stay tuned. All right, come on in here. Bomb. And look at those beauties right there. 30 minutes later, 375, beautiful Panko Parmesan Encrusted halibut. Ooh, Lord. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so the sides, the things we have to go with it. Get this little, okay, we got everything right. Come on over here. Over here. Give me 1 second here. Let's see here. All right. Here we have the beautiful vegetables. Bomb. Just like that. Let's go on ahead and serve some of these up. The Normandy blend, the carrots, the zucchini, the yellow squash, the cauliflower, and broccoli. Oh yeah. Make sure you eat your vegetables. Get all this crazy stuff going around. Eat your daggone vegetables. Just like that. Beautiful. Beautiful. here. Also, with tonight's recipe, we have a quinoa made with Alfredo and pesto. Check me out. Our Alfredo pesto quinoa. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love quinoa. I don't know if y'all are about that life, but I'm telling you, I think that this is why those people eating it live forever. All right, get all of that. Don't waste nothing. That quinoa was sitting in a jar together with his buddies. Don't separate them now. All right, we got that. Boom. Come over here. Now. That oven mitt. This halibut. Okay, so there's a couple different ways to do this. Okay, just put that spatula right there, find your loose ends, nice and easy. Work it out. Boom, just like that. Thing of beauty. Okay. If you go the underhand method like that, sometimes it goes south for you real quick. So just nice and easy. Use a little finesse. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. See that? Bomb. Get that bad boy off of there. Just like that. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Get a little fork. Do a little taste test here. Come on over here, let's see. Is that beautiful or what? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Panko Parmesan Encrusted halibut with a beautiful pesto Alfredo quinoa and Normandy blend vegetables. Right in the center is the way we know. See how that just flakes off? Look at that, baby. Look at that beautiful halibut right there. That's what we're looking for, y'all. Just flake off. Go ahead and get you a piece of that. And let's go in. When you get a beautiful piece of halibut that's wild caught, that came from so far away, it's special. It's a special fish. And because that's beautiful white flaky meat, it really doesn't take much. Do yourself a favor. Try it in its pure, as close to its pure form as possible. But go ahead and sauce it up with a little bit of this Panko Parmesan Encrusted seasoning. Top with a little more Panko, pink Himalayan sea salt, and the fresh cracked black pepper. This is beautiful and delicious. Y'all, we're out of here. Thank you so much for watching. Because of your continued support, our channel is growing. It's on fire. Things are growing a lot faster than it did in the beginning. And so I thank you guys for your continued support. Please share this with your family and friends and subscribe. Until next time, respect and love. See you soon. Take care of the family, y'all.